Stay tuned to see how to make this DIY denim belt. I saw another YouTuber make DIY denim belts, and one in particular looked like something cute I could wear on an upcoming Vegas trip. I linked the inspiration video in the description box below. To make the belt, I went to the thrift store to find jeans that were 1 or 2 sizes smaller than normal so they would fit snug around my waist. I marked the jeans where I wanted to cut and made sure to leave seam allowance around the outline when I cut the jeans. At the zipper, I simply cut up the zipper seam and cut away part of the zipper as I didn't need that in order for it to open and close. I just needed the button. After I cut the piece, I realized that the dangles weren't long enough for my liking, so I cut some extra pieces of denim to add to the ends. I simply put them right sides together and stitched them together. After that, I folded under 2 times all the way around the raw edges of the belt and pinned them. I took that to the sewing machine and tried to stitch all the way around the edge. I initially used some denim thread that I picked up at Joann, but unfortunately the thread and the machine were not cooperating. I think I was supposed to change some setting in the machine, like the tension in the upper thread or the bobbin, to accommodate the thicker thread. But since I didn't do that, I switched back to the thinner thread that I usually used, and that worked. For the hardware at the ends of the dangles, I decided to use an old duffel bag and take the D-rings off of that. The duffel bag was just sitting in my closet not being used anyway, so I think this was a good use of the D-rings. I put the rings at the end of the dangles and folded the denim across the D-ring and sewed very close to the edge of the hardware. And here's the final look. I think it's so cute. You can wear it with a dress, have it dressed up, or you can wear it with a more casual outfit. It just adds just a different element to any outfit. Let me know what you think in the comments. Thanks for watching.